Hello everyone. We are here today to review the Point of Sale Analytical Account module. This module allows you to assign multiple analytic accounts within the same point of sale and control analytic allocation based on product categories and account prefix. Now, let's move to our first step, which is to configure my module, which is based completely on all those standard analytical distribution models. So, our first step would be to make sure that our analytics accounting feature is activated. And now let's move to my analysis account section, starting from our analytic plans. We have a new plan called Point of Sale, and under my plan, I could find multiple analytic accounts. As we mentioned, the idea is to allow a single point of sale to use multiple analytic accounts. For example, for my branch 1, I have 4 different analytic accounts. The same for my branch 2, branch 3, and branch 4. And now let's move to our distribution models. For the analytic distribution models part, I can control the distribution logic based on multiple conditions. I can define it based on my product categories, my account prefix, and of course, the specific point of sale I'm using. For example, in our case, we are going to use the income account, or the account prefix, to be my income account. My income account starts with the prefix for 1000. This is just an example for the current income account structure, and it can vary depending on our company preferences. The same as cost accounts as well. Then I would define my product category. I'm using 2 categories for 2 different points of sale to compare the effect on my analytical distribution account. So I have my account prefix, my product category, my point of sale, and my analytical account. Now, let's run a quick test and see how a sales transaction from the point of sale is reflected in my analytical accounts. Now, my second step would be to perform a sale in my point of sale, branch 1 and branch 2, using the same product category, and to see how the transaction is reflected in the analytical account for each branch. So, let's open our session. Choosing a clothing product, t-shirt, payment. Okay, validate. And let's close my session. Enter my cash account. And close my session. Okay, let's move to my second branch. Open register. Choosing a different product. And my customer, then validate. And we need to close our session to see the reflection on the journals and the analytical accounts. Let's enter my cash count and close the register. Now, let's move to my point of sale, a session journal item, my sessions, and my branch 2 sessions, and my journal item, and we would find our analytics account, and my income account as well for my branches 2 sessions, and for my branch 1 session. I have my branch 1 and the account, and my income account. Now let's see how the transaction is reflected as well from my module in my journal items. I want my posted transaction, and let's filter with my account. I can see my analytic distribution for my branch 1 and for my branch 2. Then, going back to my analytic account, I can see the transaction reflection on my post branch 1 and analytic account, and my branch 2 analytic account as well.